Good morning to all. I am Hema, SS Mistress in Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Nurpur. Today I present a topic commonly confusing words. The first set of word is shut and close. We generally get confused where to use shut and where to use close. Shut is used where there is a touch of anger and threat. For example, teacher is teaching in the class. The students are making noise. Out of the anger, the teacher said, "Shut your mouth." And close is used in a normal tone. For example, close the book, close the window. The next set of word is in and into. In is used when we are already inside, and into is used when we are coming from outside to inside. For example, I am in the class, I am coming into the class, I am coming from outside to inside. The next set of word is there and there. There is used to qualify a place, and there is used as a possessive adjective. For example, there is a beautiful flower in the garden, and there is used as a possessive adjective. For example, their pen, their notebook. The next set of word is to and to. To is used as adverb, and to is used as a preposition. For example, he is too late, I am going to the market. The next set of word is advise and advise. Advise with C is used as a noun, and advise with S is used as a verb. For example, I gave him a piece of advice. Please advise me. The next set of word is float and swim. The float is used for non-living things, and it is effortless. The next and swim is used for living beings, and it is full of efforts. For example, the boat is floating in the river, and swimmers are swimming in the river. The next set of words, in this slide we have 4 words: see, look, glance and watch. The meaning of these 4 words in Hindi is dekhna. But to understand the meaning in English, we create a situation. For example, I am standing in the class. जब मैं सभी को देख रही हूँ, a casual look है, then we use the word see. To point out a particular direction, I use the word look. For example, look at the blackboard. When teacher emphasize a particular student or have a keen observation on a particular student, then we use the word watch. For example, the teacher has a watch on a particular student. Glance is used for a brief look. For example, just have a glance at the blackboard. The next set of word we have 3 words: few, a few and the few. Few is negligible, ना के बराबर. A few considerable, not negligible, not बहुत ज़्यादा. The few, all that you have. For example, there are few stars in the cloudy sky. A few, there are a few students in the classroom. I have spent the few coins that I have. In next set of words, we have 2 words, that is drench and wet. Drench is used to soak. Is used when we are soaking water, when the water is streaming down. And wet is used when we get moisture. For example, it is raining outside. हम बाहर जाते हैं और हम भीग जाते हैं. Then we use the word wet. It means पानी जो है वो रच नहीं गया, बस गीला हुआ है. Then we use the word wet. और जब पानी पूरे शरीर में रच गया, किस चीज़ में रच गया, then we use the word drench. That's all. Thank you.